Welcome to HERE Minneapolis in Minneapolis, where student accommodation levels up into a premium life subscription. Depending on which studio or 1 and 2 bedroom apartment you choose, you get to enjoy a cozy bed, comfy sofa, roomy closet space, suite study corner, TV, gas stove, and a dining table with chairs. From water and gas to internet and cable, your rent covers it all. Enjoy common amenities like a fully equipped gym, a calming yoga studio, and a lively game room. Switch it up with the study lounge or computer lab, and grab a caffeine boost at the coffee bar. There's also a podcast room, secure bike storage, and an ATM available on site. With the University of Minnesota and Augsburg University, just a short walk away, plus buses from 4th Street and the East Bank station nearby. Reaching college and exploring the city will be effortless as ever. So, hurry and book your home at HERE Minneapolis in Minneapolis today, via amberstudent.com, and embark on your new uni journey.